We did it.
Hi, I'm Angela.
And I'm Santi.
After years of planning and dreaming, we left Canada, sold everything,
and moved to my homeland in the south of Spain.
We want to share our everyday life with you.
From food, culture, travel, and everything in between.
We're bringing you along
as we explore our new life in Spain and beyond.
So subscribe
and join us
because we are
Living La Vida Costa.
This week, we finally bought a car, and somehow that made living in Spain feel very real. Then we escaped for a 24-hour mini getaway so Santi could mentally prepare for what was about to happen. And by what was about to happen, we mean 17 boxes of furniture arriving at our front door. Since then, we've basically been held hostage by cardboard boxes, instruction manuals, and Allen keys. Thankfully, Santi has taken charge of the assembly instructions and has been putting everything together like a pro. Little by little, this once holiday house is starting to feel like our home.
Ready?
She's shiny. She's shiny.
Honey, this is our new car.
Your first road trip. How does it feel? Tell us.
How's your new car, Levi? I see that you already have hair all over your new car. We picked up the car yesterday. For those of you that voted, we went with the smart option.
Economical.
Car is fully loaded. It's lined under the GT line, so yeah, so no panoramic sunroof. But other than that, a super comfy ride. Very good first Kia I've ever owned, but it drives nice. It's nice and very smooth, quiet.
It's a hybrid.
It's a hybrid, so we get our definitely what we want for fuel consumption.
I went to the license plate. She drives really nice.
Decided to come to
Javier and Dénia.
Yep. We're staying at this little hotel, Rotes, and we just got to wait for 10 minutes until the room's ready.
But yeah, so far so good. We love the car.
Oh yeah.
It is so nice inside. Taking care of our boy.
One of the greatest.
Automatic water dispenser.
Yeah. What's really good about it is it fills up this little cup, and when he's done, it pours it right back in, so I don't waste.
One of our dog moms from Ottawa, she introduced us to this. I don't know if she watches our video, but shout out to Cardi's mom.
Yeah. And shout out to all of Levi's friends.
Yes.
We have his little picture. Remember?
We'll put it on screen. When we left Canada, they waited for Santi one morning and they presented him with this picture, and it was all of his closest buddies.
Oh, what?
Levi doesn't bark, but he does get vocal like that.
He gets vocal.
When he wants treats or wants your attention.
Yes.
Cállate. Cállate. I'm learning Spanish, guys. Cállate. Yeah. Let there be light. Yeah. It's cute.
Very cute.
Cute little room. Very nice.
It was made for dogs.
Brings me my towel. Good husband.
Ish. So this is heaven. It's like bath water. This is like a spa retreat for you and me. Levi too. Levi's downstairs on a bed in about 22-degree air conditioning. I just met a buddy outside of the parking lot. And now he's on the bed. watching Spanish cartoons, children's cartoons.
The little voices. Let's look like that.
Little voices, let's look like that. Levi's very happy.
Yeah.
You know what? He's so happy he just gets to come along. He's such a simple-minded.
He really is.
He knows that he got to come along.
But he is like his mom and dad. He loves to travel.
You know, well, we needed this.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is much needed.
Absolutely.
This is what it was all about.
We're gonna relax here. Highly recommend this hotel. Beautiful little spot.
Oh God, gorgeous spot. Little hidden gems.
Look at this house. Wow. I'll take it. A lot of boxes.
Tienes la misma edad que yo.
54,
56.
56. Lo que pasa es que yo me fui por mi quinta.
Porque te cuidas. Hacemos una cervecita por ahí. What is this?
What? The headboards.
This is a bed we can't live.
No.
So this is
Fun, fun, fun!
little piece in 2 ends. Over here.
Don't cut me mattress. Yeah, I did upside down. Lo siento! Lo siento! Es poco! Lo siento! Oopsies.
And you. So we're gonna lift it up this way.
Which way?
This way. I'm gonna lift it up the corner. Okay. Get a new bed.
Woohoo!
You wanna try it?
Oh, really? How's your new bed?
That's your new bed.
Número 2.
Garbage. Considerably.
It may not have been the most glamorous week here in Spain, but it was definitely a memorable one. We bought a car, escaped for a much-needed mini getaway, and spent the next 4 days being held hostage by 17 boxes of furniture. At one point, I'm pretty sure we saw more Allen keys than we did the Spanish sun. I also set up my home office, which was nice because it finally feels like everything is starting to come together. They're not exactly the big, exciting moments you imagine when you think about moving abroad, but they're the kinds of things that slowly make a new place feel like home. Little by little, we're settling in, finding our rhythm, and building our new life here in Spain. If you enjoyed this video, remember to give us a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed to our channel, we'd love it if you did. Until the next one, adios amigos!